Hey guys, today we are going to be giving my cat a shower because not too long ago there was Possum outside and he was with him and I don't know really if he smells bad, so I'm just going to give him a bath. So here's my cat. Hey buddy. Hi, say hi. So and this one does not like water. So I'm sorry he's out of the frame. It's actually not minding this too bad. I have put him in the bath before, but not really a shower. Oh, and the reason why he has a collar on is just because when they were kittens, people kept thinking they were strays, taking them. So I'm kind of used to collars now. He wags his tail like that, that means he wants to run. Normally. Dude. Stop. Stay. So this works. Okay. Turn it. I love you too. Okay. Sounds good. His name's Oats. OT is short for Oats. And so that's it for this video. Subscribe, turn the notification bell, and give me a big thumbs up. And half of you guys are subscribed. It's free, you might as well do it. Please, thanks, peace.